So just landed in Funchal, Madeira, and it's sunny, it's beautiful, and I'm here for the next 4 days with that guy in the back. And yeah, let's get into it. But before we do, please make sure that you like, share and subscribe to the channel and help this growth. Let's go.
Funchal is the capital city of Portugal's Madeira archipelago, and in this video I will show you why it is a definite spot to be seen. But before we do that, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification, as it really helps out in the growth of this channel. So without further ado, this is Funchal. The city itself is backed by hills and known for its harbour, gardens and Madeira's wine cellars. And this was the view from my apartment. Absolutely gorgeous.
So I've taken the car and it was 300 euros, this tiny ass car, for 4 days. But everything's covered and we don't have to worry about any issues whatsoever. And we're looking forward to the whole trip now, so let's get on with it.
After taking the car, we head towards our apartment. We found this on Airbnb for £100 a night, or 110 euros or $130 a night. The apartment itself was absolutely gorgeous, from inside and the outside. It had all the amenities that you could imagine. I'll put a link down in the description below of this place. From this massive bedroom that had a double bed and 2 single ones, to this toilet that was equipped with all the basic amenities that you'll ever need. The living room itself had a sofa and a dining table, and it was right next to the kitchen, which had everything that you could ever ask for. It was definitely worth it, as we went in off-season when most of the restaurants are closed, so we had no choice but to cook for ourselves. So we made good use of these facilities. For me, the best thing about this apartment was its garden and balcony overlooking this amazing view. This view of the Atlantic Ocean was particularly enhanced during sunset and sunrise. In addition to that, this jacuzzi and this infinity pool overlooking the Atlantic Ocean added an extra tinge of relaxation. So I definitely recommend that you guys should check this place out. There are many like that dotted around Madeira Island. This place was located in the hills, only 10 minutes away from Funchal. That's why we decided to quickly head out and see what the city was about. Because we went in off-season, there were not many people around. The peak season are normally in summer, but we went in winter during Christmas time, and it was almost empty, which was a pleasant surprise, as we weren't looking forward to seeing that many tourists. The best thing about this place is that you will always find sun all year round. So if you're looking for a place with sun any time of the year, this is the best place to be. In my opinion, it is the perfect combination between nature, culture and lifestyle. Located on a large slope facing the Atlantic and shaped like a natural amphitheater, Funchal's Madeira's largest tourist, commercial and cultural center. But as stated previously, if you are gonna go there and explore Funchal, go in peak season, as everything is open. But we went for hiking, relaxation and beaches. And for that, Madeira is perfect all year round. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate the support. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.